Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here at the iconic Beverly Hills Hotel, 5-star hotel. This is where all the celebrities go. So you know it's legendary. And it costs about $1,100 per night to stay here. Have you ever been curious, since there's a lot of celebrities walking around, wealthy individuals, what do they do for a living if they're staying at this hotel? I don't want to know. No one's ever done a video here before, right? But we're gonna do it first until we get kicked out. Also, in order to level up in your life, you have to be surrounded by successful people, be in the network of people doing better than you. That's why I have a private community with like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, multi-millionaires in this community where we all get to learn from each other, talk to each other. We have live calls every week from successful individuals. I host live coaching calls to build your YouTubes, your social medias. Click that link in the description below and let's get the video started. All right, we got my man in the Porsche over here. How you doing, sir?
I'm good.
Are you coming out real quick? Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. We love the watch. What kind of watch is that?
It's Rolex.
Are we family here?
Yeah,
we're family. What do you do for work?
I'm in the real estate business.
For how long?
50 years.
Are you an investor? Are you agent? Own your own company?
Investor, developer. I think they want the space.
Oh, they want the space. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How much can one make per year doing what you do?
Between 10 and 100 million.
I love it. My man. Thank you so much for your time. Very nice. My man, what's your name?
Shai.
Shai, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you do for work?
Development.
Development?
Yeah, and construction.
Construction? How long?
5 years.
5 years. Now, how much can one make per year doing that?
Between 30 to 50K a month.
So what do you develop exactly?
We help people to basically renovate their houses or new development, ADUs, anything.
Let's say I want to make 50K a month being a developer. I need to get a license. who do I talk to? What do I do?
First option, you can go and learn for your own contractual license.
Okay.
An RMO, or you can just rent it from someone. And
You can rent a license for someone?
You can rent a license.
How
from
much?
someone. Around 2,000, 3,000 a month. You rent the license.
That's interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so was the test easy for the is a contractor license, you said?
Yeah, no, not so easy. You need to learn, but you can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you pass the first time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get any wrong?
No.
No. Okay.
I learned good.
Okay. So when you passed the test, after that, how did you get your foot in the door and start, making the money?
You need to kind of create like a marketing plan, and then you need basically to generate leads, and then you can get it from friends, from relatives, from whoever need any construction in his house or whatever it is.
Who was your first client?
Oh wow, it was one of my friends. I renovated his kitchen. Yeah, he got a good price though.
Okay, so see, guys, it has to be within your circle first, right? Your friends, family, someone wants to.
Don't rely on it.
Don't. Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't rely on your first people, on your friends or whatever. Just do a good job, and you never know.
How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
Dean,
Nice to meet you. What do you do for work?
hockey coach,
Are you really? Which team?
Toronto Maple Leafs.
Oh, wow. How did you get to your position? Was it like working your way up in the ranks from college, or like
I was a
talking
player.
to the? Okay, you were a player first.
And then I retired from injury and ended up getting into the coaching with a few guys that had coached me, brought me in as kind of an apprenticeship to learn under them.
And then from there,
I just took the steps to the different levels and leagues and worked my way up.
Got you. What do you do for work?
What I do for work, I am an advanced person for a high-profile person.
Oh, really? So like you're an agent, or
No, I'm an advanced person.
what does that mean
It
exactly?
means I set up everything in advance for them and get everything that they need at hotels, restaurants, all that fun stuff.
Oh, okay, so it is only one particular person
Yes.
that you work with? Okay, you're not able to say though, huh? Okay. How did you get into that, if you don't mind me asking?
Started as an intern and with the company, and then they moved me into that position.
Got you. Now, how much, out of curiosity, how much can one make per year doing that?
Maybe 6 figures.
6 figures. If someone wanted to be in your shoes and do what you do, what do you recommend? They start an internship first, or?
Internships, getting in with businesses, and just building the profile.
Okay.
That's it.
Got you. So it's what is the title again? Advanced?
I'm an advanced person for high-profile individuals.
Got you, my man. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. What do you do for work?
I own an independent record label.
Okay, what's the label name?
It's called Run It Up.
How long has that been around?
Well, I've been in the music business for about close to 15 years, but I started my own company probably about 5 years ago. My company is like a fusion between technology and actual music. So I got in very early in the streaming side.
Okay.
So when things went from CD to digital, I was on the forefront of that. So
Got you.
I was one of the first guys to have like a #1 record on Musically.
What?
And Musically went to Vine.
Okay.
And now I'm the most successful company in the history of TikTok.
Oh shoot, that's
There's about
dope.
25 TikTok #1. So
That's
if there's
crazy.
any kind of song you've probably heard on TikTok, it's probably mine.
Okay, hell yeah. Now, in your position right now, how much can one make per year doing that?
You can make anywhere from as low as $100,000 a month to $1 million a week.
Wow. You're definitely over 100K a month, right? Something like that, something light?
I mean, you know, God is good.
No, hell yeah, man. Now, how does one get into your shoes though? Like, what are some of the steps that you had to take to get to where you're at?
Be a student.
Be a student of the game.
I worked for a lot of really, really dope guys before I started my own company. I listened to those guys. I followed those guys.
So mentors in a way?
Mentors,
Okay.
and then when you get an opportunity, you know, don't make the opportunity about money. Make it about seizing the opportunity.
Yeah.
One of my best jobs I worked in the music business, my last job before I started my company, I made $2,000 a month.
Yeah.
But this guy showed me my first contract.
You learned a
You know what
lot.
I mean? This guy, yeah, like I didn't make it about the money.
Yeah.
I made it about the opportunity. And that was the moment that gave me the confidence to say, okay, when this is over, I'm gonna do it for myself.
Yeah, that was the value you got back.
Yo, man, I got so much value. Shouts out the block.
Shout your stuff out.
Okay, that's Run It Up Records.
Okay.
That's at RIU Records on IG. And then my personal IG is City Under Siege, CITIUNDERSIEGE.
Okay. Man,
And,
check it out. Everyone
yeah.
check it out.
And Run It Up.
Yeah, my man. Appreciate it. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
Hi, I'm Michael. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What do you do for work?
I am the executive chairman of a biotech company.
Oh, really? What is the are you able to say the company name?
I think probably not. No.
Oh, okay. But keep it private. Now, how long
Sure.
you been doing that for?
2 years?
2 years. You love what you do?
Yeah, that's what I do. But before that, I was a partner in a firm of attorneys.
Okay.
Office.
Okay. Now, right now in your position, how much can one make per year doing that?
You could make $5-7 million in a year.
Wow. Okay. Now, if one wanted to be in your shoes, right, and wanted to do this is the last question, and
Yep.
wanted to do what you did, make the kind of money you make, what's some advice you would give them? Is it joining the right company, talking to the right people, networking with the right people?
So I would say, first thing, make sure that you've got the right resume
Okay.
that fits and matches the company that you apply to.
That's a good one.
Work extremely hard. Be respectful to your fellow workers.
That's true.
Treat everyone the way that you would like them to treat you. Surround yourself with people who are smarter than you.
My man. Thank you so much for your
Okay,
time. We
thank you.
appreciate
Nice
it.
to-
How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Arnold,
Arnold. What do you do for work?
real estate.
Real estate. Okay. How long you been doing it for?
For about 20 years.
20 years? Are you an investor? Are you
Investor
owner of a company?
Sponsor, both
Oh,
parts, yeah.
okay. So how much in your position can one make per year doing that?
$500,000.
$500,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is some advice to get into your shoes? Do you need a real estate license? Join the right company? How do we get to your shoes?
I think you need to have the experience, the track record.
Okay. So how do you get the experience? Just joining the company?
We're working in a trusted company and
Trust the company first, okay?
yeah, and that knows what they have to do in order to advance and to grow in a real estate development.
Got you. That's what you did.
Yeah,
you joined the
exactly.
company. How long were you in the company for?
10 years.
10 years, and then from there you became...
I became the owner of my company.
And what is it? Your company is like a brokerage or...
Developer.
Oh, okay.
Developer, real estate developer.
Oh, developer. Okay,
Yeah.
got you. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate it. How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
How are you, brother?
What's your name?
Bruno.
Bruno. Nice to meet you, Bruno. I love the name. One of my favorite movies is called Bruno. Have you seen that one?
Yeah, maybe, yes, I remember.
What do you do for work?
Me, I'm an Italian executive chef.
Okay, so how long you been doing that for?
Like 22 years.
22 years? Now, how much can one make per year doing that?
Maybe like 200,000.
200,000? What are some tips to make $200,000 a year and to be an executive? You're an executive chef, right?
Yeah.
To be an executive chef, they have to go to school?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so first go to school, and then second, how do you make that type of money?
First, you have to start from in a restaurant.
Start in a restaurant.
When you're young, you have to try if you like or not.
Where did you start?
I start in the restaurant.
What's the name?
Oh, it's in Italian. It's in Milan.
Oh, okay, so all the way in Italy.
Yeah, I'm from Italian.
Oh, okay, and then?
But I live here like 12 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then after that, you started
and then,
there.
You try for a little bit, like 6 months. If you like, then maybe you go in the school.
Okay.
Because if you don't like, you just lose your time.
Absolutely. And then so then you went from Italy to school. here, but went back.
No. When I'm 16 years old,
Okay.
I starting in the restaurant,
Okay.
and then I have my passion grow, like month to month,
Okay.
And I say, hey, you know what? I go in the school.
Okay, and then that's when you went to school.
I start in the school for culinary school.
Got you. And then how long was school? How many
5
years?
years in Italian.
Wow. So 5 years in Italy in culinary school, and then after that.
And then I started my own business in Switzerland.
So you started your own restaurant?
Yeah, my business is an agency for personal chef.
Oh, so you're not a chef yourself.
I'm a chef.
Okay, you're a chef
I'm
and you have an agency.
And I have an
Oh, okay.
agency.
This guy's giving us the whole spill. Okay, okay. So now you have an agency and you're executive chef.
I have an agency and I'm an executive chef.
Okay. How you doing? I'm SnewJ.
Hi, I'm Sarika.
What do you do for work?
I'm a pharmacist.
How long you been doing that for?
About 17, 18 years.
17, 18 years. You love what you do?
I love what I do.
Now, how much can one make per year doing it?
200,000?
200,000. Okay. Now, besides school, because how many years of school do you have to go to?
An additional 4 years after
Dang, so
college.
eight years total.
Yeah.
Okay. How was that, by the way?
Amazing.
Yeah.
I liked it. It was a lot of hard work, but
No, absolutely. No, I applaud you for that.
Thank
now,
you.
after the 8 years of college, is it just joining the right company? Like, what are some tips you could give to an aspiring pharmacist out there?
yeah, it definitely depends on what you want to do, as I mentioned before. So you can go into residency, you can go into a fellowship, you can go right into community pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, you can go into a pharmaceutical company. So there's a lot of different routes you can
Is
take.
this within school or after,
After
school?
school.
After school, okay. Is there any schools that you recommend or any companies?
I went to USC, so.
USC. So USC, and then after USC.
Well, that was Sun Devils. This is USC.
So after USC, where did you go?
I went straight into the pharmaceutical industry.
Oh, okay. And
Yeah.
were you able to say the company name or?
I can't.
Okay,
Yeah.
no worries.
Yeah.
What do you do for work?
I work for a retail company called Cartier,
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your position there?
store manager.
Store manager.
Yes.
Okay. Now I've been curious. How much can a store manager make there per year?
They take care of us.
No, because it's a business channel. That's why just people want to know. Just a
Probably
reference.
still as much as I'll give you.
To get to your position to be store manager at Cartier, what does one have to do? You have to work at a store first and then work your way up, or is there like certain connections that you have to make,
Sure.
networking?
Yeah, I think there's probably a couple different routes you could go. You know, if you got your foot in the door in an entry-level position and spent some time with them. I, on the other hand, was with different companies.
Got
so
you.
I kind of almost feel like I went up the hierarchy as retail is concerned.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah,
What are
so-
some of the other companies that you were working with?
I started off when I was in college. I worked at the Buckle.
Okay.
Then I went to Abercrombie & Fitch and spent like a decade there.
Damn. And that was your experience.
Yeah.
And then from there, from Abercrombie, that's when you got the manager position at Cartier.
Yep. Oh, not straight from Abercrombie.
From where then?
Most recently, Burberry.
Oh, okay. How long were you at Burberry for?
About 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then I did a short stop at when I got into jewelry. I got into Tiffany. I was
Okay.
there for about a year, and then my boss recruited me over.
My
to,
man. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Hey, if you guys want to do that, you already know the ropes right there. In case anyone was curious, a Cartier manager makes anywhere between $43,000 to $96,000 per year. Rolls Royce here.
How you doing?
Good. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris. Nice to meet you. I see you with this Rolls Royce. What do you do for work?
Very nice. I'm a house manager for a family.
House manager for a family. Okay. How much can one make per year doing that? 100K? That's pretty good, huh? So like, what are some of the things that you do? Like you take, so this is their car, I'm assuming? Okay, okay. Yeah. And you just kind of like, help assist with them and help make their lives easier, or like?
Yeah, pretty much. Well,
So run errands and stuff. Okay. So how did you get your foot? Dang, that thing is ruining our video. And how did you get into what you're doing right now? Like, was it like connections, networking, or like that's kind of cool, you know?
if you have experience taking care of family for years, then
Okay, so if you have experience in taking care of families and whatnot, and you found the listing on the website, that's how you got connected.
Yeah.
What do they do, if you don't mind me asking?
I can't say that.
Oh, yeah, it's private.
It's private.
How you doing? I'm SnewJ.
I'm Tammy.
Tammy, nice to meet you. What do you do for work, if you don't mind me asking?
I do childcare.
Childcare. Okay. Are you like do you own the company? Are you a teacher there? Oh, you own it? How long you been doing that for?
20 years.
20 years? You love what you do?
Yeah.
How much can one make per year doing that?
Probably 50.
50K a year? Okay, now what is your best advice? How to
Love
get
kids.
started? Love kids?
Yeah.
But how do you open like your own
I
childcare?
just do it because I wanted to be able to stay home with my kids. So that's why I do it.
Okay, I love it. Well, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it. Thank you. All right, guys, so we just got kicked out. Security was like, hey, you got a professional camera? You can't be conducting no interviews up in this bitch. Okay? Now I was like, all right, it's cool. We'll leave. Come on, let's take a walk. We got it done, right, Marlon? So here's the thing, guys. I always want to leave you with something, okay? Don't ever think that you don't belong anywhere, okay? In our case, I get it. We're not supposed to film whatever, it's private, you know, there's a lot of wealthy people, celebrities. But don't ever think that you're not good enough to be anywhere. The fanciest hotels, the fanciest restaurants, whatever the case may be. Remember, all these things are man-made. They're all man-made. You can do whatever you want, be anywhere that you want. You gotta be confident, you gotta have that mindset. Life is so short. Stop doing a disservice to yourself by not living the life that you want, by being the very best version that you can be, by helping others, by being kind, by being respectful, by going after your dreams and goals. Remember, nobody's gonna hand you $1 million. Nobody's gonna hand you an opportunity. You gotta show up every day, be consistent. The only way that you can fail is if you quit. That's all I gotta say. Hey, if you wanna join my private community where we hold each other accountable, where we have multimillionaires in there, live coaching calls from me and other successful individuals, click the link in the description below.
You tell me I'm something you need, but baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want, babe. Somehow you keep on